Welcome to Health World. If you are suffering from back pain or sciatica nerve pain, then please pay attention to this video. There are 3 easy and simple treatments that gives you instant back pain or sciatica nerve pain relief. Because the 3 treatments in this video can help you avoid doctor's office, and in turn saves thousands of dollars in sciatica treatment cost. You can live a painless back pain life. Now first one is valerian tea. Drink valerian tea to relieve the pain of sciatica nerve. It is especially good for relieving sciatica pain caused by muscle spasms. The herb contains the volatile oil that help to relax your muscles and relieve tension. You can also drink valerian tea by soaking 1 teaspoon of dried valerian root in 1 cup of hot water for 10 minutes. Drink this herbal tea several times in a week. You will see improvement in sciatica nerve pain within few weeks. Now second one is fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek seeds help sciatica nerve to reduce pain. Grind a handful of fenugreek seeds. Boil powder with milk to get a paste. Apply it to the painful area on your back. Leave it for few hours before you rinse it. Repeat daily until you get relief from back pain or sciatica nerve pain. Now third one is acupuncture. Acupuncture is one sciatica treatment that can cure terrible nerve pain in 9 out of every 10 people. That is why acupuncture therapy and more people are using it to relieve issues with the sciatica nerve. Acupuncture therapy takes the pressure away from the portion of your back it can relieve the pain almost immediately. Now if this treatment doesn't kill your back pain or sciatica nerve pain, for an extremely fast working sciatica treatment, for those who are serious about sciatica pain relief, for those who are serious about improving their sciatica pain Want to terminate your back pain or sciatica nerve pain permanently? I highly recommend you to try the Sciatica SOS. This book gives sciatica pain relief guaranteed within 7 days or less. Now this book receiving great positive testimonials all over the world. To know more, visit www.sciaticapainreliefhub.com/treatments. Check the description. Click the link to know more about sciatica pain relief or back pain. To learn more about back pain relief tips or more, subscribe to my channel and hit the like button if you like this video. And thanks for watching this video.